Hey, what's up?
Hi John, what's wrong?
My booty seems to be itching and I can't do nothing about it. It's painful.
Oh, maybe you should put bootycream.com on it. That's usually is what my mom does for my booty.
Hey, really I might just do that.
Great, then good luck John. If that does work, then try scathing your booty, and if that doesn't work, try smelling your booty crack. Then if that doesn't work, then I'ma shoot your booty, haha.
Meanie, that's not right, Rosa. I'ma kill you.
Haha, sure, like that's gonna solve something, cause it's not. So think about you're gonna do first, booty head.
PSHH, fine, whatever, I'm done. And what's that big ol' red thing on yo neck?
Haha, I don't know and don't care. Goodbye John, go poke yourself in the eye and suffer, haha.